Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. In this video, we're going to set off a brand new section of the channel. This section came from some questions from one of my peoples. We're going to call her Kiki because she had a lot of questions. She hit me off with the questions, and it's a wealth of information that I got to put together, and it cannot be covered in one video. Okay, so it's going to be a series of videos. Okay, now the name of this section is brought to you by the 1988 sophomore Boogie Down Productions album called By Any Means Necessary. The lead track off of that, if I'm not mistaken, is called My Philosophy. And in that track, he said, "Let us begin. What, where, why, or when will all be explained like instructions to a game." Okay? I know I butchered the lyrics, so Karis, one of you out there, pardon me on that. Now, that's what we're going to do here at the Absolute Boss Collective. We're going to break down everything for you like instructions to a game, because we're talking about the number one game in the entire world, the stock market. Whether you want to be an investor, whether you want to be a day trader, swing trader, position trader, if you just want to maybe step up your game with your retirement account, okay, then you want to tune into the Let Us Begin videos, okay? In these videos, we're going to cover how do you open your trading account? How do you select stocks? How do your stock trades and investments affect your taxes? Okay? The best trading apps. Any and all questions that a beginner or novice would have will be covered in the Let Us Begin videos. Okay? Now, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure that you sign up for the $500 giveaway. Okay? And most importantly, if you have a question about stock lingo, a particular stock, anything under the sun pertaining to the stock market, then leave it below in the comments, and eventually I will get to that question and I will answer that for you. Okay? It's each one teach one. We going from A to Z, from knowledge to born over here at the Absolute Boss Collective for the beginners. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. Stay tuned for the next episode, okay, so that you guys can learn how to get started, all right? This is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.